Hey everyone! Today I've got something really interesting to talk about that affects all of us, our water closets, or as most of us call it, the toilet. You might not think about it much, but the humble water closet can actually be a hotbed of health concerns. So let's dive into the shocking truth about your water closet. First things first, did you know that every time you flush, an invisible cloud of tiny water droplets is released into the air? Yeah, it's called the toilet plume, and it can carry bacteria and viruses. That's right, folks. Every flush sends germs flying around your bathroom. Now, before you start panicking, there are some simple steps you can take to minimize this. Close the toilet lid before you flush. It's a small habit that can make a big difference. And hey, it's a great reason to remind everyone in the house to put the seat down. Next up, let's talk about cleaning. It's crucial to keep your toilet clean. But what you use matters a lot. Many popular cleaners contain harsh chemicals that can be harmful if inhaled or if they come into contact with your skin. Instead, consider using eco-friendly and non-toxic cleaning solutions. They're just as effective and much safer for you and the environment. Speaking of safety, always read the labels and follow the instructions on any cleaning product you use. And remember to keep these products out of reach of children and pets. Seriously, guys. This is one area where it's better to be safe than sorry. All right, let's get a bit deeper. The material of your toilet can also impact your health. Older toilets may contain materials like lead or other harmful substances. If your home is older, it might be worth looking into getting a newer, safer model. Modern toilets are designed to be more efficient and hygienic, but here's a fun fact that might surprise you. Did you know there are toilets out there with self-cleaning features? Yep, some even have built-in bidets and UV lights to kill bacteria. It's like having a futuristic bathroom right in your home. So to sum it all up, yes, your water closet can pose some health risks, but with a few simple changes, you can make your bathroom a much safer place. Close the lid before you flush, choose safer cleaning products, and consider upgrading if your toilet is ancient. That's it for today, folks. I hope you found this information helpful and a little eye-opening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Stay healthy and see you next time.